So today we're gonna be meal prepping chicken and veggies. This will be perfect for lunch or dinner throughout the week. Especially if you have a busy schedule. It's good to just have these things in the fridge ready to go. So first we'll go ahead and season our chicken. I'll be using some of the fit cut seasonings today, but you can use whatever seasoning you prefer. Make sure you get it in there good. Both sides. With this chicken, we're also gonna have sweet potato fries and asparagus. And again, you can season it with whichever type of seasoning or spices that you would like that particular day. You can switch it up. You could do half of the chicken, one flavor, the other half another. Our chicken is seasoned. We'll go ahead and set it to the side. Let it marinate a little bit. And we'll go ahead and prep our sweet potatoes to go in the oven and our asparagus. So after we let our sweet potatoes bake for 20 minutes on 400 degrees, now we're going to assemble the rest of our chicken and veggie meal prep. So you just want to move the sweet potatoes over to one side. And like I said, you can cut up the sweet potatoes like I did, or you can buy them already cut. The same with the asparagus. You can buy them already cut, or you can buy them fresh and cut them your own self. This is all about convenience and saving time. So the less work you have to do, I'm sure the more inclined you'll be to cook. So we'll go ahead and season our asparagus. And the reason that we cook the sweet potato first is because it takes longer to cook. And had we put the asparagus on there, it would probably burn. So again, I'm just seasoning with some salt and pepper. And it's a good balanced meal. I mean, you have your starches, you have some greens, and you also have your protein in the chicken. And you could also use fish if you would like it as well. So now we're gonna take that chicken that we seasoned earlier and just put it right over the vegetables. And we're gonna put this pan in the oven. We're gonna put this pan in the oven again at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. We're gonna check on our chicken and veggies meal prep. Looking good. So it's been about 15 minutes. We'll go ahead and take our chicken and veggies meal prep out the oven and let it sit. And that's it. We'll just let it sit here and cool. Then we can go ahead and put it into some containers. And like I said, you can have this for lunch, for dinner. If you store it in a pretty good container, I would say it should last maybe 3 to 4 days. Anything longer than that, you want to possibly freeze it or discard it, because you know we want our stuff to be fresh. And there you have it, your chicken and vegetable meal prep. You can store it in the fridge. I recommend no more than 3 to 4 days. Anything longer than that, you'd want to freeze it and then just thaw it out